Right, so we're going to just show you how to set the backscorers in this little video. We have some back slitters which are located just here, which are for the edge trim, because obviously when you're trimming you want to get rid of this wide gap here, and we're going to take that up with the matrix. So the first thing we're going to do is measure the position that we want to be setting them at. So the first one needs to be about 135 millimeters from the back plate, and the next one wants to be around 400 millimeters from the back plate. So we're going to go about 135 and 400. So we have a handy scale on the backscorers which gets us very close to start with, so you can probably see better on this one. So I'm going to move that so the edge of the scale is in line with the 400 mark. Now you've got two knobs. This knob here is the one which you undo to slide it left and right, and then this one here is the one that does the actual adjustment of how deep you cut. So what we'll do now is we'll run the machine slowly, and if Lucas can maybe just get the camera around through here maybe. Can you see the mark on the wheel? I don't think you'll get it from that angle, Lucas. You might need to be around here. Just see if you can get it through the gap. It's difficult. No, can you see it? No. Okay, well, come with the camera, probably where I was. And yeah, you can see on the wheel there's a black felt mark, a mark on the wheel we've made with a black felt tip pen. I'm just going to wind the wheel in until it starts to turn, and you'll see that mark going round in a second. So yeah, there you go. So now you can see that mark going round. Once you've started getting the wheel to turn, you want to go steady, and we're literally looking to put quarter of a turn on. So if you literally go quarter of a turn, and then I'm looking up here now to feel for it cutting. So you can see it's starting to cut, but it's not quite deep enough. So I'm just going to go a little bit more, not even another quarter, probably just not even an eighth of a turn, just a little bit. And now you can see that's cutting perfectly, and we're in quite a good position as well. So that's that side done. So now we need to do the same again with the other side, which we said was at 135, so I'll just set that. To 135, and then we'll run. And again, I don't know how well you'll see the mark, but it's not started turning yet, the wheel. It's just about to, I think. Okay, now it's started turning, so we go a quarter of a turn, and then I'm going to feel to see how we're cutting. Not quite deep enough, so I'm going to go about another eighth of a turn. Okay, now we're cutting through. Not quite. Well, yeah. Just the odd nick here and there where it's missing, so just a tiny bit more. That's cutting nicely now. This one's probably a little bit close to the label, so I'm just going to undo the main one here and just slide it over just ever so slightly, just to increase that gap so that we have a bit more of a gap. That looks pretty good now. So once we're happy, we can then tear those up, and these will now go up with the matrix. What we also have is we have a cross adjustment, and this moves all of them together in and out. So you can see we've got anti-clockwise is in, so if I turn it anti-clockwise, one turn is 1 millimetre, and you can see how it moves both of them together, and that's moving them in. If I go a couple of turns, you'll see how that's moving right over and touching the edge. Probably need just a little bit more depth of cut on that outside edge. So now we're uneven. So to bring that back, we'll go a couple of turns back, and you'll see it starting to come back. So you can adjust all the knives in and out together, which is useful, or you can adjust them individually. So that's cutting nicely now. We're in the centre. That's good to go. So that's how we do the Backscorers.